If you are interested in growing your own healthy food and you don't know anything about how to do it, or you may be growing a few and looking for the ways to improve your yield with a good quality, then you have tuned into the right channel. Hi, I am Anuj. Welcome you to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. My aim is to show you the productive way of growing a clean and healthy food of your choice wherever you are. I mean, your location, your area, or the space availability is no bar. Learn with me growing organically, hydroponically, or aquaponically. You may want to grow it into a field or into the weather control greenhouse. You may wish to grow it into your backyard or on your terrace, in a balcony, or even inside a room with the grow light. You can choose to grow it into a pot or in container, in a plastic grow bags or a trays, in a tank or even in a trash bins which can hold some media. There is no limit to it. I have many things to share on each with you. If you finding these subjects interesting and helpful, then be with me on my journey of learning and growing. Be a part of my community simply by subscribing this channel. Keep your notification button on so as not to miss out any new uploads. After watching a video, react with your like or dislike if any. Express your view in a comment. What do you think about it? And feel free to give any suggestions. Those are mean lot to me. It will help me to improve my content and guide me to choose the subject of your interest for my upcoming videos. On this channel, you can find a weekly uploads of the video sharing my experience and work on the various subjects. I will try to cover as many topics as possible in detail to make you understand simply and grow successfully. For your convenience and enabling you to reach directly to the area of your interest, I will group all these topics into a different playlist. Please stay connected to get an insight of topics covered under different playlists. Under the organic growing, you will find the details on the preparing a land, raising a nursery, soil nourishment, compost making methods, use of biofertilizer and liquid manure, biocontrol method for crop protection, and plant specific care and many more. If you are living into a city and want to start terrace farming or backyard growing, or want to use a balcony or free space available inside a room, then visiting a urban farming list will give you all in detail how to do it. You will get to know in detail how to grow it in a pot or container, in a plastic grow bags or trays, in a tanks, or even inside a trash bin which can hold some media. You will get detail about the different media and its application, preparation of the potting soil mix and its amendment, some irrigation method and the automation. Also, you will find detail on the selecting a pot and some ideas about the optimizing the space and more. If you are interested growing hydroponically or aquaponically, or you may want to grow off-season vegetables into a greenhouse, then you must visit a future farming technique list. Here you can learn in detail about the different technique DWC, NFT, media bed, aeroponic, Dutch bucket, etc. We'll got to know about the different media and its suitability based on the crop. We'll see crop-based nutrient management. We'll also see the greenhouse basics and use of different method like lighting and covering, like cooling and heating for extending the season. If you are experiment friendly like me or want to utilize your space most efficiently, then visit innovative and offbeat growing method list. Here you will find my work on high density, ultra high density and meadow orchard plantation, crop specific training and pruning strategies, how to do the companion and the relay cropping, seed enhancement and propagating methods, and some idea about the stacking and trellising. You will also find a detailed square foot analysis of cost and yield, which will break many myths about the profitability into the farming. Hope this gives you an idea about the content and where to search a topic of your interest. The other list also contain the similar useful information like tools and equipment, product insight and effectiveness review, some do it yourself project and hacks for cost optimization, regular farm updates and visit to successful farm and many more. So be with me and let's grow together. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy growing!